To take videos with your Pixel phone, open the Camera app. To switch to video mode, tap the video icon at the bottom. To start recording, tap the shutter button. To stop recording, tap the shutter button again. To watch your video, tap the video thumbnail on the left of the shutter button. Tap play. To take a selfie video, tap the switch camera icon to the right of the shutter button. To change the zoom level, tap on the numbered zoom options. Hold and drag your finger over the zoom options to get the right zoom level. Or pinch to zoom in and out. To adjust settings, tap the gear icon at the bottom left. Here, you can adjust settings like flash, video boost, FPS and resolution. To adjust other settings, tap More. Here, you can adjust video stabilization and speech enhancement.